What's up, everybody? This is your boy JR303 back at you with an unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing a Maverick 88 by Mossberg. So let's get into it. And by the way, New Year's. So I had to do it down here on the floor because it's just too big to fit on the table. Okay, so when you buy it, this is what you're gonna get. I got this from Big Five. It's a double barrel. You get two barrels of it. It's a combo. So we get sticker. Comes with a short. It's like I have a Mossberg 500, and now this is the Mossberg 88. Well, the Maverick 88. So what the difference is, let me just. Alright, so this is the Maverick 88. So it's a Mossberg 500. They all use the same interchangeable parts, as you can see. It came with the shorter barrel on it, the security barrel. With that, we did buy the upgraded kit for it to go to pistol grip from Blackhawk with the recoil reduction system. So as I understand it from talks in Mossberg, the difference between Mossberg 500 and the Maverick 88 is, the only difference is really the safety. And as I understand, they said everything's the same. So like all the parts are interchangeable. This looks just like identical to my Mossberg 500. The only difference is the safety is here, located here on the side. Whereas on the 500 it's located up here. So it saves us some money as far as mailing. So you get that. And here's your hunting barrel. The longer barrel. So you get both. This one's about $310. You can get them on sale. It's a good, dependable gun. Very simplistic in design. Let me show you real quick how easy this is. So you just unscrew this. There's a button on here underneath. Open that up. Remove your barrel. Slide it into place. Just screw this on to the seats flat. It's nice and locked in. And there you go. Mine doesn't have the middle bead here. Don't believe I have to look at mine. I don't ever run this though. I just run the shop. So there's action. There's your feed tube. So there it is. I'm going to put back the security barrel. Back. Unscrew it. Pull it on. Security barrel back on. And there you are. That's how easy it is. So there you are, the Maverick 88 by Mossberg, interchangeable with the Mossberg 500 all parts. So like when you buy parts to upgrade them, the Mossberg 500 parts fit on the Maverick 88. So until next time, remember, give us those thumbs up and like and subscribe. And you can always find us at JR303 Official on Instagram, TikTok. Although I'm going to give you guys a heads up, we might not have a TikTok much longer. Although we meet their guidelines, they keep banning some of our videos, saying that because although we're in a safe place with professionals at a shooting range, they're blocking them. And to be honest, you guys all know I'm not about that. I'm not big on the Chinese influence.